Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today this video show you how to make a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using Microsoft Media Creation tool. You will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB free space. All data on the USB drive will be erased during this process, so backup any important files before proceeding. Open internet browser. In search bar, download Windows 11. Click on this link. Scroll down. Under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click on Download Now. The tool will download. Once the download is complete, navigate to Downloads folder. And double click the Media Creation tools. The Windows 11 setup window will appear. Read the license terms carefully. If you agree to the terms, click Accept. Choose the language and edition. And click Next. To create a bootable USB drive, select USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB. Insert the flash drive and click Next. Select your USB drive and click Next. The Media Creation tool will now begin downloading the necessary Windows 11 installation files. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed. You will see a progress bar indicating the progress of creating bootable media. Your USB flash drive is ready. Your bootable Windows 11 USB drive is now ready. You can use it to install Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.